Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shopify weekly on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about Shopify and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Shopify. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.